Today I want to share with you 4 reasons why you should not be buying a home right now. My name's Miles Pitcher. I'm the owner of Superior Lending. I'm a licensed loan officer located in Utah, licensed in a few states. I know you're thinking, Miles, you're the guy who is preaching to buy real estate, buy a home, get into it as soon as you can. And I am very much pro real estate. However, there are some reasons why I think someone should wait on buying a home. And I want to share those with you today. So just a little perspective. I've been in the business since 2001. That's when I started this company. So I've been through the 2008 recession and housing crisis. Those are 2 different things. And so I have that perspective. I remember what that was like and the problems that came with it. So I'm not here to argue with you or debate whether a housing crisis is going to happen again, if the market's going to crash. I do not believe it is, but these reasons still are applicable on why you should hold off buying if they apply. Number 1, you need to look at your monthly payment, and you need to know and have established how much you can afford every single month. I always review with my clients and say, where's your comfort level on your monthly payment, and where's that limit, right? Where it's slightly painful on that monthly payment. Many times people will qualify for more than that, and I don't want anybody ever going into a house, moving in, feeling that they are house poor because of that monthly payment. So know your numbers, know the monthly payment. We're doing a lot of creative things right now with clients, helping them to buy down the interest rate or do a temporary buy down. These are really cool, but I need you to have a perspective of when that rate is, that monthly payment's at the full rate, are you comfortable and can continue making that monthly payment? Number 2, I need you to look at this as a long-term investment. So if you are going to be in this home in a short period of time, I would say 5 years or less, I would really consider holding off buying a home. So let me take you back to 2008. And right before then, home values were super high, and we had a lot of people buying homes at that time. Then we had the fall of 2008 hit, home values dropped, depending on where you were, anywhere from 40 to 60% value in the home. What's interesting to me is that I often visit with people who, and then one of the key things they tell me is, we bought our home right at the peak of the market. Very, very rarely do I have people express to me regret for buying the home at the peak of the market. So the reason why that is that even though they took a dip in value after they bought the home, they were able to refinance, they stuck with it, and now that home that they did buy has not only recovered in value, it's gone way beyond that. I believe long-term the market will continue to appreciate. Home ownership investment is a great way as a hedge against inflation, and usually home appreciation will outpace inflation. But if you're going to be in that home 5 years or less, I would consider holding off on buying right now. Number 3, my daughter's buying a home right now in Texas, and man, shout out to Texas people. You guys pay a lot in property taxes. I'm sure there's other places in the country that do also, but I was shocked at how much property taxes were. But the thing I'm reminding my daughter about, and I would ask any of you, is that you go into this home, you need to have reserves set aside. You need to be able to have, I encourage 6 months of household expenses, including what the new mortgage payment will be, just so that you are able to weather whatever storm comes at you. So just don't go into this home maxing out all your funds you have available to cover down payment and closing costs. Make sure you have some reserves. Number 4. Now, moving into this time period, I think a lot of people can agree that we are going to have a recession if we're not already in it. I believe we're already in a recession. I also believe that unemployment is going to start moving up, getting higher and higher. So I would advise you that if you are looking at buying a new home, you also evaluate how secure am I in my job. Saw back in '08 with that recession how that really hurt the job market. Unemployment went way up. Just make sure that you feel comfortable and have a good sense that you are solid in your job. And if things turn, you have some good job security. Again, I still believe in real estate, and I think there are great opportunities right now, but I've shared with you 4 reasons why you should really reconsider or maybe hold off a little bit and before you buy a home. Sellers right now are offering many great incentives and concessions that can help you with closing costs and buying down your rate, doing a temporary buy down. It's a great time. I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel, like, share this video. I would also love to hear your comments and thoughts about what you believe is going to happen with the housing market. Do you believe that if this is a good time to buy a home or not? Let me know in the comments below. I want you to know that I still believe and am fully confident in that home ownership, owning real estate, is one of the greatest ways to build generational wealth and to be able to really improve one's situation. It's still the American dream. So if you're not quite there yet, just keep saving up some down payment, keep improving your credit score, keep talking with experienced, licensed realtors that can help you see the opportunities on where to buy, and you will be just great. Thanks for watching this video. We'll be back next week with another mortgage tip.